Okay, for part C there's 2 marks available. The idea is that you identify the complement of C, that is the area outside of the circle C. And the probability of choosing one of these numbers, well, you have to count up how many numbers there are. And there are 10 numbers in set the complement of C. And there are 12 numbers in total. To pick up both marks, you need 10 over 12 or 5 over 6. To pick up 1 mark, any probability out of 12 will work. So any number on the top from 11 downwards will give you 1 mark, and the number 10 will also give you 1 mark. So if you found the number 10 independently, you can get a mark for that. Otherwise, 2 marks come from 10 out of 12 or 5 out of 6, or the decimal equivalent.